Contractor G here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glass railing. Here's the glass. There's the space. Let's go. So now you're just going to want to measure everything. Take note of that. And then you mark your measurements on the board. Line it up and make your cut. There you go. Now that you have everything cut, lay it out to give yourself some perspective, and then we're gonna nail it all together. Ensure everything is square and flush. Okay, so I'm gonna add 2 screws on the left aiming in, and 2 screws on the right aiming in. Alright, then we can go ahead and set it in place. We're gonna add some screws to secure all these down.
So there you go. Secured it down multiple points with long 3-inch screws.
Now we're gonna repeat what we just did. Throw 2 screws in from this side, angling in. Okay, go ahead and set that soil out. Okay, now you want to make sure you secure everything down with screws. Okay, now that you have all these up, what you want to do is lay down your other 2 by-4s, get them laid out nice and square and flush, and then nail them all out. You want to make sure you angle into the 4x4 here. 2 screws in the back here. This one you want to put in at an angle here. Now we're going to go ahead and add the face. Okay, then secure the top pieces. Now that you have everything framed, you're going to want to go around on all the sharp edges and sand everything off with like a 60 grit sandpaper. Add some paint, glass, top piece. There you go. Contractor G showing you how to make a railing. What do you think of that? Subscribe, like, comment. If you want to know more in detail on how to do something like this, message me. Peace.